Good morning, student. We continue our chapter number 12. In chapter number 12, we are discussing about the three-tier system. In the previous video, we discussed about its two level. The first, that is about district. The second one is state commission, and the last one is national commission. Their composition: one president, committee composition, and two other members, and one should be women. Same is applied in commission. Okay, one president, two other members, and one should be women. Now come to claiming amount: less than or equal to 20 lakh. Here, the one who can file a case and the exceed amount 20 lakh and less than or equal to 1 crore. Membership composition, committee composition is same as a district: one president, two other members, one should be women, elected by state government. They also elected by state government. Re-appeal या appeal in the higher court if the candidate and the complainer is not satisfied whatever the judgment is given by the district court, then he can appeal within the 30 days to the state level. If he appeal after the 30 days or didn't appeal after the 30 days, then it will be assumed that the complainer is satisfied whatever the judgment is given by the district, and same state government. Now move on to National Commission. The National Commission consists of a president and at least 4 members. यहाँ पे जो committee composition है वो change हो जाएगा: 1 president and 4 other members, and 1 should be women. More than 1 crore amount consumer claim can be directly applied to the National Commission, and if the one is not satisfied, complainant is not satisfied whatever the judgment is given by the State Commission, he can appeal in National Commission within the 30 days of the judgment. Okay, and these are appointed by central government. The appointment of National Commission is done by central government. Okay. These are the key points that you have to be learned. A complaint can be made in National Commission on the value of goods along with the compensation claimed more than 1 crore. The appeal against the court of State Commission can be filed before the National Commission. On receiving the complaint, the National Commission that shall refer the complaint to the party against whom the complaint is filed. If required, the goods or a sample thereof is sent to the laboratory for testing, and the National Commission shall pass an order after considering the test report from the laboratory and hearing to the party against whom the complaint is made. An order passed by the National Commission is matter of its original jurisdiction and is appealable before the Supreme Court. This means that only those appeals who are value of the goods and services in question along with the compensation claimed exceed rupees 1 crore, and where the aggrieved party was not satisfied with the order to the National Commission, then he can move on to the Supreme Court of India. After that, the complainer is moved to Supreme Court of India. Okay. Now, moreover, in case decided by the district forum, the appeal can be filed before the state. Thereafter, the order of the state can be challenged before the national commission, and further, no further. Now, we are discussing about what kind of relief given by the district, state and national commission to the complainer. They are giving their judgment, they are giving some reliefs in favor of the complainer, and what kind of relief is given by the court if the complainer is at the right position. Right position means if he is exploited by the businessman or service provider. So, what kind of relief is given by the court in his judgment? So, that means the next topic is our relief available. The first relief to remove the defects of the goods or deficiency in the services. कोई भी जो कमी है उसको पूरा किया जाए. Replace the defective product with the new one free from defect. एक नया प्रोडक्ट दिया जाए, पुराना वापसी ले कंपनी. रिफंड द प्राइस, पैसे वापस किए जाएं. अगर कंज्यूमर कह देता है मुझे तो अब इस कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट लेना ही नहीं, मुझे तो वापस ही करना है, तो कंपनी को उसके पैसे सारे वापस करने पड़ेंगे. टू पे अ रीजनेबल अमाउंट ऑफ कंपनसेशन वट एवर द ही causes the loss and he can be compensated. To pay the punitive damages in appropriate circumstances. Continue the unfair trade practices. Trade practices are not restrictive. Trade practices not appeal in the future. Not to offer hazarded goods for the sale. Withdraw the hazarded goods from sale from the market. To cease the manufacturing of the hazardous good. कंपनी का प्लांट ही बंद कर दिया जाए. Or to pay any amount not less than 5% of the value of defective goods of the deficient services and to be credited to the consumer welfare fund or any other person to be utilized the prescribed manner. To issue the corrective advertisement. Yes, if there is any mistake, then issue the corrective advertisement to the neutralize the effect of misleading advertisement. जैसे कोई भी गलत advertisement that will harm the consumer and that will harmful for the society will be removed from the media. To pay adequate cost to the appropriate party and bring these out the some decision cases where complaints was filed in consumer court for defective goods and deficiency services. So, this is the topic of today. The rest of all we discuss in the next video. Bye bye.